Yo, what's up, buddy? Good morning, and I will be make a vlog for segment again, okay? And don't forget to have breakfast. So just continue again. This is uh day 10 for making a vlog. I'm really I really think so far so good for making this video. I think I can I can do, but wow, it's so far, and I didn't expect for myself because I'm walking so far, and today I want to speak about random again. So just watch my video. This is me. I just prepare for um today I wanna go to Salong village or Salong city. Maybe it's not village. Mm, but I'm good to Salong at 10 o'clock. So for first, I wanna take this video first. I don't know. Um, um Today my auntie invited me go to Salong. But for what? I don't know the information correctly. So just waiting for this, yeah. And this is my first week. That's why I'm really waiting because I'm not prepared. I don't take a bath. Maybe later. I'm not taking a bath first because this is still morning. So that's why I'm still here. I'm just prepare first for breakfast and making a vlog. How are you guys? And what are you doing? This is holiday, so I think I really need to spend time for my assignment. That's why I need to rest before I make assignment because this is holiday. I'm really uh, need to go with my friend again. Maybe we'll go to the beach or some place. I will invited to go to his house for um take coconut fruit but I'm accepted because I'm still feel like sleepy today because last night I wake up at 3 a.m. and I think I'm not turn off my phone, so that's why I feel like sleepy today. But come again to sleep after I got up. Wow, what are you doing, guys? Are you have breakfast for today? Waiting for me. Here I am still with this video. So let's talk again. Which then your holiday? I used to prefer like to spend time with your family or give me time for yourself, guys. I think the two is good, guys, because when you have a time for your family, it's like you can recharge your energy for a while minute and it's make your problem, it's make your mind so fast again. That's why I need this. Sometimes I just lying down in my bed and scrolling and sometimes just doing my hobbies. So I don't want to even my family invite me to go to holiday because when I not have good mood, I don't go. Maybe just go to garden. I'm really excited. Garden more make me like I'm really good again and I recharge my energy when I want to go to garden. So that's why I feel like this. So, and now I don't go to garden because I prefer to go to Asela city. Wow, okay. Coming. It's coming again. Maybe he's so hungry today. Yeah, I know. You are hungry. We just need to refresh my. We just need to refresh body, mind, and everything. Make sure your body is so good again. After you have so busy work on student, I'm really good. Really want to prepare this and make my body have energy again. Sorry. And sometimes I just sit here in my house too, watch some cartoon. It's like my own cartoon. Since I younger, I like to spend my time with my family, just watching TV, maybe, or just make game, just not make you bored. And just make some snack. Sometimes just making some snack with my friend. Oh, my friend now is so far away because my friend not Lombok, and here I have a friend, but I never meet up again because we so long time spirit. So that's why I'm not find my friend again. Maybe my friend in elementary school. I'm really miss. I really wanted to meet up again after I was teenager. Maybe I will go to Rio and find. Maybe I'll forget her or his face. Yeah, because it's a long time no see. Why it's a lot different before you're teenager. Oh, she, oh no, I just she my cat. Yes, guys. Why life is so different after after I is a student college and school because uh when I was little child since younger I see the world is like so really happy, excited, and more happiness. It's like just playing basketball with my friend and make me feel happy and I don't think about everything. And now so different. I have so many thinking even about school, about assignment, family, love, life. Is everything. I really is not worth it. Like, now life is more painful. How? Yes, this make me this like it's not comfortable again. I really need to um come back with a younger again and just playing game. It's not thinking about everything. I think this when I was little, uh my life is more better than now. That's why I say that. But what about your opinion, guys? Are you happy now, or you don't happy now like me? I mean, like it's not same type now and and all time. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, maybe this is this video is enough for morning. Okay, sorry if I have if I have a speak so not clear for conversation in this video. Okay, thank you.